You guys are about to send me straight to jail if I don't show you another tutorial on how to do the scrunchie curls. I did this a while back, so let me show you exactly what I do. I got this scrunchie from Amazon, bigger than just like a normal size scrunchie. I just start out by brushing my hair. I would probably recommend getting your hair a little bit damp with a spray bottle. I just flip over my hair and I just make sure it's like on the very top of my head. I do this with 2 scrunchies or 1. I split it in half. I'm gonna take this one side and you're gonna just wrap it around. You don't wanna do it as tight as possible because that will make your curls look better. But I just go kind of quickly around the scrunchie. The same thing to the other side. You can put an elastic over the top to hold it in place a little bit better. I will say these don't last as long as the normal heatless curls. Anyways, I hope that helps. Please don't send me to jail. Scrunchie curls.